Gen Ed subjects. So, Gen Ed segment, Science, Technology, and Society, Gender and Society, and then Health, Safety, and Nutrition for research students. So, that is your major. So, that, sometimes, kung kulang rin ang teacher, I'm learning chemistry and agri-biology of agricultural students. So your agri-biology one. So that is plant, agricultural biotechnology. So if there's genetic engineering, we should also so ito sa atin wala ko natin ito sa business we should also so how about in office administration? Do you have your laboratory? Dapat may laboratory pa mo sa computer so that's steno subject. Be good in it because that steno can be used if you work in Hall of Justice. Sa Hall of Justice. Because in the Hall of Justice, kung may mga kaso, na steno ang pagpantang sa kaso. So, may ang barila sa judge na steno na sa secretary. Yes. So, may gusto pa sa akin. Sometimes, allow me to sit down because I am diabetic. I have my diabetes at 2 milliliters. Way back 2023, I was amputated with one toe, middle toe. Kaya nga ako yung sugar taas. So, magano, siguro madura kumatayan ko ay may ni Dr. Pasqua and her family history sa tatay ko diabetic. Lumami sa tayo ng ulo. Si ate ko ulo ay diabetic or diabetic patients are prone to cancer because cancer not sugar. So avoid sweet fast. And especially if you have family history of diabetes. So refrain from drinking Coca-Cola. 1 Coca-Cola, one Coca-Cola, if you have the normal value of sugar 100, that 1 bottle of Coca-Cola will triple your sugar. And that sugar, if you try down, it will take you 1 week to lower your sugar, including cutting your rice and cake, no sugar, no bread, no sodas, no coffee, just water. Imagine ninyo, kung ako na normal sugar ko, nag-inom ko sa ko, dahil mo nga 275, pagkakapon na inom naman ako, ilan ito? 500. So sa amon na diabetic, if we reach that 500 ml